How to fix Paylocity app won't let me log in. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. In this case, press and hold on to your Paylocity application to head on App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache to clear it up. If you don't have this feature for your device, open up your phone settings and head to Apps. Select on all apps and search for Paylocity. Force stop the app and head to Storage and Cache to clear it up. Then you can head back from here. Check out your system update and make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support some of the feature of the app. Then launch your Play Store or App Store and search for Paylocity on the search bar. Check if there is any update available. Leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Another important thing is to check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, switch it to your mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. If you're connected to a VPN, make sure to switch it off and try to log in again. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.